Hello, my curlies. Welcome back to another Frizz-Free Friday. I've missed everyone, but I definitely enjoyed my birthday week. It was great. I went out to brunch with girlfriends, went out for dinner with my mom, went out to dinner with my daughter and my mom for my traditional birthday dinner at Bars in Highlands, New Jersey, right on the water. It was beautiful. We had a really great night. Then last week I was in Harpersville, New York at Animal Adventure Park and the Preserve. So I'm going to share a few photos with you just because in case anyone wants to go, at least you know what's there. Here are Bao and Ming, which are tiger cubs that came to Animal Adventure Park last June, May or June. They were so tiny and so adorable. Now they are in their huge exhibit with a waterfall and a pool, and they're my little loves, I have to say. Here are some adorable little baby goats. They were playing and they love to be scratched and loved on. Here's a few of Sandy, who is a baby camel. Yes, she's a baby, I know. But she loves kisses and giving kisses. Then we have the lions, Solomon, Bisa, and Sumi. We also have the snow leopard, Kelvin. He was really active the last day I was there. Now we have a few photos of the preserve. Of course, it wouldn't be complete if I didn't have a photo of me in front of the preserve sign, so here you go. We got to see donkeys and bison and water buffalo, ostriches and emus, and a whole host of other animals. We came along Tank. Tank is their 3-year-old rhinoceros. Last but not least, we have Tajiri and Desmond. Tajiri is the child of April and Oliver, and he and Desmond went from the park side to the preserve side. Okay, now that I've caught you up on my preserve and Animal Adventure Park trip, this week I want to use clips. These are the clips that I see a lot of vloggers using, and I was going to try it with a big clip I had, but I decided I needed smaller ones. So that's what this week's video is on, getting volume using clips. I am not sure how many tries this is going to take, so we'll see. Let's try to do, we're gonna do a little, I guess we'll open it wide and slowly bring it up. I don't know, I'm not feeling like that's working. Maybe it is. Okay, let's try it again there. So let's see. Now, for the back, where do I think I need it? Right there? I guess we're gonna find out, aren't we? And let's see if we can do right there. All right, so I don't know what it looks like in the back. Okay, I did a little switching of the back one to kind of lift it up a little more. I don't know if this is going to work. I am not sure, but we're gonna blow dry, see what we get, and if I did a horrible job, I'll redo it, and we'll try a few different times. Although this is like sagging in the back. I don't know what I'm doing. Let's see. Let's try this again. Maybe we have to do it lengthwise. So let's see. All right. Hey, I guess we're gonna find out. I will blow dry and I will be back and we will see what it looks like. Okay, my curlies, this was a bust. They flipped and flopped all over. They did not stay put. I had to keep redoing them. See how this one keeps falling? This one kept slipping out and falling down. So I don't think I got the same curl I would if I was using my regular clips. So let's see what we've got here. And no, we do not have height. I don't know why this is not working. Maybe there's too much room. I don't know. Oh my God. This did a horrible job. Yeah, this is not good. This did not give me height. And it made my back frizzy, I think. Let's see. Right here. Made it poofy and frizzy and not curly. Is it the clips? Is it my hair being too thin now? Because all of the vloggers that I see doing these YouTube videos with the clips are much younger. They look like they're in their 20s and 30s. Maybe it's the thicker hair, because I think I could have used those 20 years ago. Let me flip and fluff and see what we've got. I'll be right back. All right, my curlies, I am not liking this, so I think we are going to try it again. I'll wet my hair and see what I can do. This is definitely not as good as when I use my regular sectioning clips. At least they stay put and they don't flip and flop, and I actually get height. Like that. Okay, I'm gonna wet my hair down again. I'm going to try it again. Alrighty, I wet the hair down with my spray bottle and we're gonna try to clip it again. I honestly do not know what the problem is, but we will find out. Let's see, what's a better way to do it? I don't know, because if I open it wide enough, but it flips and flops as soon as I move. Let's see. What if we did this way? Oh my. Your guess is as good as mine, my curlies. Okay, I think these are just too wide for my thinning hair. This is ridiculous. Oh my gosh, what do I do? What do I do? All right, what if I try to lift it up and get a little more hair? All right, let's see. Try to grab extras. Okay. Oh, this is so funny. Okay, let's see. Try to grab some extra. I don't know if it's going to make my curls look wonky, but I guess we'll find out, won't we? Okay, I'm going to blow dry, and before I take the clips out, I will come back and take them out with you. Okay, this was the second attempt. They held their position better. Let's see what we've got. This is funny. So we have a little better height, but then I don't have my curls, and they're not all lifted. It just looks odd. Especially because I had to like squeeze that up. So now this is laying bizarre. This is like twisted into a whole thing. And disconnecting. Ugh. All right. Oh my gosh. Maybe I need smaller clamps. I don't know. Maybe my hair is too thin now. I'm at a loss. But I definitely don't think it works as well as my sectioning clips. Do I go for a third attempt, my curlies? Or do I throw in the towel? I think I'm going to give up. Maybe I'll try to find smaller clamps and I can try it again at a later date. But personally, I think it was a bust. Let's take a look at the back. All right, so it's not as frizzy as I thought it would be. But do I have height? That's the question. Is there height in the back? And there we go. All right, a little, but it doesn't have all the curls like they usually have. I don't know. I don't think I am happy with using the clamps. Surprise. Do I need more practice? Do I need smaller clamps? Inquiring minds want to know. Another thing I wanted to mention is that I am up to 103 subscribers. Thank you very much, everyone. I appreciate you passing me along to curlies and non-curlies alike, because we are everywhere. And a lot of them tend to straighten their hair because they don't know what to do with their curls. So passing me along to straight-haired people might make them inclined to practice leaving their hair curly. So thank you. I really do appreciate it. There goes the air conditioning turning back on. So have a great weekend, my curlies. I will see you next week, and thank you again for the 103 subscribers. Ciao for now. Sending them flying. Here, yeah. I'll be back. Oh, well, my scar is visible, that's for sure. Yes, the face. I know the face.